Welcome to Telematics Canada. Our Series S is built to perform in most every climate the world has to offer. You will find outdoor displays from Desay in countries as environmentally diverse as Sweden and Dubai, Canada and Australia. The Series S is rated IP6543 for rain and dust, and can operate in temperature extremes from 40 below to 40 above. In this video, we are viewing the Series S in an 8.3 pixel, with NationStar gold lamps, being subjected to rigorous age testing at the factory. All Desay panels are built to impress, and built to last. Desay fully supports their products with a very comprehensive 2-year factory warranty, which may be extended to 5 years for a modest surcharge. Give us a call at your convenience, and let's spend some time reviewing your project. We can promise you will be glad you did.